The final step in the security configuration and customization process is to publish your security changes. To this point, we've made 11 different changes to the security configuration. I have the ability to publish all of the changes by clicking the Publish All button, or if I only want to publish a subset of these changes, I can mark the checkboxes and click the Publish Selection option. In this case, I'm missing unpublished or dependent objects because I've selected something, for example, a role that included a duty that I did not mark. Let's say I just want to publish the 2 new privileges. So I'll go ahead and click the Publish selection, and now you can see they're removed from the list. I can close this window and I'll be prompted and it will say there are 9 objects that have not been published. Do you want to continue to close the form? I'll go ahead and say yes. Now, when I go back into the security configuration form, you can see that my changes are still saved. However, the changes will not be effective for users that are assigned to the roles or duties that are affected in the unpublished objects. So in order to make all of those effective, I would need to publish them all. If I decide I don't want these changes anymore, I can use the Remove Customizations button at the top in order to get rid of those customizations. Let's say I want to perform an audit on the security changes that have been made. I can use the Audit Data button in the Action pane to see the audit trail. Here you can see the full list of exactly what I've modified. You can see if it was a new type, a publish, an update, a dependency update, and so on. The system keeps this audit trail, which allows you to provide information to your auditors to support changes that you're making to your security permissions. You do have the ability for each one of these to show the object identifiers, view the permissions, and compare permissions to older versions if required. We'll close this window down and go back. In the Data tab, we also have the ability to synchronize and repair our security configuration along with export and import. The export and import process is used when I want to move changes from one environment to another, for example, from my testing environment into my production environment. I went ahead and clicked export, and you can see that the system has exported an XML file. I can now navigate into the other system using the same screen and click the import button. Then I'll use the browse button to browse to the security database customizations XML that was created and click open. This will show me exactly what was included in that particular file, and you can see now what has been unpublished. So now I've got 2 additional objects that were imported. If I want to publish those changes again, I need to go back through the publishing process after I've imported them into the new environment.